In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove strike-through in Google Docs. If you have text in your document with a line through it and you want to turn that off, the process is very simple. Strike-through, sometimes called cross-out, is a text formatting option in Google Docs, and removing it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To begin, go to your Google Doc and open the document where the strike-through text appears. Make sure the document is fully loaded so you can interact with the text and the menu at the top of the page without any delay. Next, click on the text you want to remove the crossout from and highlight all of it. This part is important because Google Docs will only change the formatting for the text you select. If you only highlight part of a word or sentence, then only that section will be updated. So take a moment to carefully select everything that currently has the strike-through formatting applied. Once the text is highlighted, move your attention to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains many of the text styling options used in Google Docs, including tools for changing how your text looks without changing the actual words. After clicking Format, hover over Text in the drop-down menu. You do not need to click immediately if the submenu appears when you place your cursor over it. This submenu is where Google Docs keeps common text effects like bold, italic, underline, and strike-through. From there, click on Strike-through. Since the selected text already has strike-through applied, clicking this option again will remove it. In other words, this setting works like a toggle. If it is on, clicking it turns it off. You should see the line through your text disappear right away. And that's it. Your selected text should now appear normally without the crossed out line. As a quick tip, if nothing changes, double check that the correct text is still highlighted before selecting the formatting option. It's also helpful to watch for whether you may have clicked outside the text by accident, because that can remove the selection and prevent the change from applying. This is a useful formatting trick to know, especially if you are editing notes, revising a draft, or cleaning up a shared document. Once you know where the option is, removing strike-through in Google Docs becomes quick and easy.